Welcome back. Now, also in the business settings, you're going to find a column of settings that you'll need to take care of for payments and payouts. And the first of those settings will be your bank accounts and scheduling. And it's here that you will add in your business account. You'll need to have your routing number and your account number so that you'll be able to connect your bank account to Stripe. This will be the account that Stripe will send your payments to after the waiting period. You can set a payout schedule. So if you want to have your payments sent every day so that as they come in, Stripe will send them in a bundle, you can have them sent that way, or you can have them sent every week or every month. Once you determine how you want your payments to be sent, you can then click Save. You'll then need to determine your payment methods. And what you'll basically be doing if you're going to be taking payments on your website is activating the cards level. And what you can also do is activate the bank credit transfer so that individuals will be able to use their bank account. Now, there are other payment methods that you may want to add that will give you additional ways to get paid, and this will depend on your customer base and how they intend to pay you. But basically, once you have completed the cards and ACH credit transfer, you'll then be ready to accommodate most people paying online. If you have a way of being able to use Apple Pay, you'll need to use this link, and then you'll be able to alter your email receipts. Basically, what you'll be doing is you'll determine when Stripe will email your customers. So you can have your customer emailed when a payment is successful, as well as when there's a refund, and then you'll click Save. You can also set up your orders. And basically, you can determine whether your shipping will be free. And if you're selling primarily digital products, your shipping will be free. You can determine whether or not your taxes are going to be charged or included in your final payment, and whether Stripe will capture the payment when an order is made for a specific item. And once again, if you are primarily selling digital products and the individual will be getting their product immediately, you can leave this on the default setting. And we've now covered the payments and payouts. And in the next video, we will cover the team and security elements of the business settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.